What's up, pizza punks? It's Missy. We are filming at my computer desk today because we're making Jiggly butt pudding. So Jiggly butt pudding is a Japanese candy kit. This is Shin-chan, which is a anime character, and for some reason this candy kit you make a butt-shaped pudding. But yeah, so we're gonna make this. We're also filming with two cameras today. We have my Lumix, which you're looking at me with, and then we'll have my GoPro filming me mixing everything and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna open this up real quick. And inside we have the mold. There's the butt one. And then you just get the pudding mix. And then this is like a strawberry milk custard topping that you put with the puri pudding. Okay, so I got my bowl. We're gonna put that one down. And first it says to mix the puri pudding with 7 tablespoons of milk. So I have some almond milk here. Hopefully almond milk doesn't mess it up. We're gonna open up the pudding and add it to our bowl. Okay, we'll put that down in there. It looks like just sugar. I'm probably just mixing milk and sugar together. Never said this was supposed to be healthy, did I? Now we're gonna be adding 7 tablespoons of almond milk to this. And then we'll just mix it up real good. It does look like pudding, like, not gonna lie, it does look like regular vanilla pudding. Next it just says to microwave it for a minute. Obviously you have to adjust that depending on what watt your microwave is. And then just put it in the molds and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. So for some reason, I didn't have enough pudding to fill all 3 molds, which is fine. I just filled up the butt one in Shin-chan's face. I feel like I might have put too much in the butt. That came out really awkward sounding, but you know what I meant. But that's okay, that's mainly what I bought this kit for, was to make the butt pudding. So that's down in the fridge for an hour, which will be seconds for you guys, but. So I'll see you back here in an hour, and then we're gonna pop out the butt pudding and make the little strawberry milk gel stuff to put around it. Okay, so it's been over an hour and my little puddings look like little puddings. Still a little disappointed I didn't get to make the piggy. I don't know why there wasn't enough. Like, oh well. But let's see if we can plop these little dudes out onto my paper plate, and then we'll make the strawberry jelly stuff to go around it. Oh my god, it's a little butt. Look at it. Is it actually jiggly? Why am I sitting here squishing a butt pudding? Like, let's make the strawberry milk stuff to put around it. I'm gonna set my little butt pudding over there for a second. Got another one of those little tiny bowls. And then we have the rest of the almond milk that we need. And we have the strawberry milk jelly, whatever. And we're just gonna pour this all down into the bowl. Add in the milk. So here's my jiggly butt pudding and Shin-chan's face. We're gonna eat this here in a second. First, I feel like I gotta take some nice photos of it though. Okay, so now we're gonna try it. I'm just gonna take a bite of Shin-chan because I don't want to ruin the butt yet. Let's just take his eyebrows. Smells good. It's quite jiggly. It has a really awkward texture, but it's good. I mean, it just tastes kind of like vanilla pudding and strawberry ice cream mixed together. I'll put a link in the description box on where you can get one of these Jiggly butt pudding candy kits. I got mine at a Japanese food market in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Butt pudding is a success. That was it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed making some jiggly butt pudding with me today. Sorry if the lighting and the whole setup is just a little goofy. I just had nowhere else to film it. And I thought, why not just film it here? And I got to use my GoPro, so that was it, guys. I really, really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a super duper fantastic day. Mwah. Look at this butt. It is so cute. And it's jiggly. Look how little it is, too. Like, here's my finger. Oh my god, I dropped the butt. There's a butt print on my phone now. Wonderful.